Imagine a world where your personal calls are shielded from unwanted intrusions. A world where your privacy is paramount, where your conversations remain confidential. Have you ever wondered how you can achieve this level of security in your personal life? Today, we're going to delve into a solution that might just be the answer: Ooma Private Account. Ever had a telemarketer call you at dinner? Or maybe a persistent salesperson who just won't take no for an answer? These unwanted intrusions can be incredibly frustrating and intrusive. But what if there was a way to put a stop to them? In today's digital age, our phones have become an integral part of our lives. They're not just devices for communication. They're also gateways to personal information. Unfortunately, this increased connectivity also exposes us to a growing number of threats to our privacy. What is Ooma Private Account? Ooma Private Account is a revolutionary service designed to protect your personal calls from unwanted interruptions. It's a simple yet powerful solution that can give you peace of mind and privacy. Key features. Let's explore some of the key features that make Ooma Private Account so effective. Caller ID spoofing. This feature allows you to hide your real phone number when making calls. This can be particularly useful for protecting your privacy when dealing with unknown callers or when making calls to businesses that might sell your information. Call blocking. Ooma Private Account gives you the power to block unwanted calls. You can create a blacklist of numbers and automatically reject calls from these sources. Do Not Disturb mode. This mode allows you to silence your phone and reject all incoming calls, except for those on your whitelist. This is a great way to avoid interruptions during important meetings or when you simply need some peace and quiet. Advanced call screening. Ooma Private Account offers advanced call screening features that allow you to identify and manage incoming calls before they reach your voicemail. You can screen calls based on caller ID, area code, or even custom rules. Benefits of Ooma Private Account. Using Ooma Private Account offers several benefits, including increased privacy. By hiding your phone number and blocking unwanted calls, you can significantly reduce the risk of your personal information falling into the wrong hands. Reduce stress. No more dealing with telemarketers or annoying robocalls. Ooma Private Account can help you eliminate these distractions and reduce stress. Improved productivity. When you're not constantly interrupted by unwanted calls, you can focus on your work and be more productive. Peace of mind. Knowing that your personal calls are protected can give you peace of mind and allow you to enjoy your phone without worry. How to get started. Getting started with Ooma Private Account is easy. Here's a brief overview of the process. Choose a plan. Ooma offers a variety of plans to suit your needs and budget. Set up your account. Once you've chosen a plan, you can set up your account online. Activate your service. After you've set up your account, you'll need to activate your Ooma Private Account service. Start enjoying privacy. That's it. You're now ready to start enjoying the benefits of Ooma Private Account. In today's digital age, protecting your privacy is more important than ever. Ooma Private Account offers a simple yet effective solution for keeping your personal calls confidential. By blocking unwanted calls, hiding your phone number, and taking control of your incoming calls, you can enjoy peace of mind and privacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.